So I'm Professor Stuart Nicklin, and I'm here today as the Dean of Postgraduate Research for the College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences at the University of Glasgow. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about our college and what it's like to come here and study for a research degree. So the first thing I'd like to tell you is a little bit about the University of Glasgow. So Glasgow University is ranked in the top 100 universities in the world. And actually for this year, it's the Scottish University of the Year in the Times and the Sunday Times Good University Guide for 2022. We're a member of the Russell Group of Research Intensive UK universities. And this group represents 24 of the top UK institutions promoting excellence in teaching and research. And we're amongst the top 10 earners of research income in the UK, with almost 90% of our research being internationally recognised. And we're also a university with a true international outlook, with more than 25% of our students choosing to join us from countries outside the UK. So the College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences at the University of Glasgow was formed in 2010. And we're one of the largest centres in the UK for research and professional training in life sciences, medicine, veterinary medicine, dentistry and nursing. The college brings together internationally world-leading expertise who together conduct research and teaching across a wide range of disciplines in biology and biomedicine, spanning from genes and molecules through to cells, organs, individuals, populations, and entire ecosystems. And our aim is to make outstanding contributions to tackling the major challenges that face societies today. And that's in Scotland, across the UK, and throughout the world. For our students, this means that a research degree awarded in the College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences means that you will have had the opportunity to learn from internationally recognised academic supervisors and will have had access to state-of-the-art facilities, resources and training that are all there to help you be successful in your studies. So the college has approximately 2,500 members of staff and approximately 7,000 students. And those students are studying for bachelor's and master's degrees and PhDs to prepare them for careers spanning clinical medicine, veterinary medicine, biomedical, biological and environmental sciences. And in total, we have approximately 650 PhD students. And those PhD students are studying in our 7 research institutes and 3 schools, all of which are arranged around specific disciplines. And these are the academic centres for all of our research and teaching activities across the college. Our research excellence is evidenced by our world-leading researchers, our large portfolio of research funding, and the recognition of the internationally leading nature of the research we do in the college. Research in the Institute of Biodiversity, Animal Health and Comparative Medicine focuses on a spectrum of areas from veterinary science through to fundamental research in ecology and evolutions. And its strengths are using integrated approaches that range from genomic and cellular through to individuals, populations, species and ecosystems. The Institute of Cancer Sciences carries out a programme of world-class science directed at understanding the molecular changes that cause cancer. Researchers are working to translate scientific discoveries into new drugs or diagnostic and prognostic tools that benefit cancer patients, taking new therapies through preclinical and clinical trials. Research in the Institute of Cardiovascular and Medical Sciences is led by both basic and clinical scientists and clinicians whose mission is to enhance human health by exploring the causes and mechanisms of cardiovascular disease and advancing and implementing those discoveries, leading to improved prevention, diagnosis and treatment for our patients. In the Institute of Infection, Immunity and Inflammation, scientists and clinicians are working together to understand the basic science of the immune system and how the immune system can in turn promote disease. Also to understand the biology of parasites, viruses and bacteria and their interactions with hosts that can lead to high levels of infectious diseases around the world. And their aim is therefore to develop new therapies in this area. The Institute of Molecular Cell and Systems Biology is a multidisciplinary centre of excellence conducting fundamental and translational life sciences research underpinning health and food security and providing an integrative environment aimed at driving basic and applied research of the highest standard from the molecular and cellular level through to whole organisms and systems. In the Institute of Health and Wellbeing, the mission is to prevent disease, improve health and wellbeing, and reduce inequalities. And the focus is both locally, nationally, and globally, with an aim to improve population health and wellbeing and reduce inequalities in health. Academics have a wide range of skills and expertise and collaborate widely with other institutions, the Scottish and UK governments, the NHS, local authorities, and the voluntary and private sectors. In the Institute of Neuroscience and Psychology, they're aiming to understand brain networks, and this is at multiple levels of function, from cells to cognition, using approaches ranging from molecular, cellular, systems, and social level investigations, and supported in these aims with world-class imaging infrastructure, including a state-of-the-art platform of cognitive imaging in humans, dedicated confocal and electron microscopy facilities, as well as cutting-edge equipment to measure dynamic social signals. Research excellence across the college is exemplified in the University of Glasgow Research Beacons, and these are interdisciplinary areas of research excellence which have attracted financial and intellectual investment and brought together researchers from across the university who work with other institutions, funders, practitioners, policymakers, and charities to address the grand challenges with national and international impact. The Precision Medicine and Chronic Disease Beacon is focused on tackling, understanding, and developing new treatments for some of the largest health threats, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, and immunological disorders. The One Health Beacon is tackling some infectious diseases which are the greatest threat to human health, including diseases such as COVID-19, malaria, and rabies, working with partner institutions across the world. The Addressing Inequalities Beacon is focused on tackling public health, deprivation, poverty, and mental health issues, all with the aim to improve people's lives. The college has a number of centres of research excellence, and these include in areas such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, parasitology, virus research, neuroscience, and public health. Our Medical Research Council Centre for Virus Research was at the forefront of the COVID-19 response, with innovative approaches and development of tools which are contributing to the public health, clinical and research responses to the pandemic. And it's led in areas such as vaccine clinical trials and virus variant sequencing efforts. Researchers from across all of our institutes have led significant research activities that are improving both knowledge and treatment of COVID-19, while staff from across our college were central to coordinating the establishment of one of the UK National Lighthouse Labs for COVID-19 testing at the outset of the pandemic. The college is home to state-of-the-art facilities for imaging, and these include an imaging centre of excellence. We also have a polyomics facility, which offers high-throughput screening expertise in genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics and lipidomics, bioinformatics, and data analysis. Research students in the college are a diverse community from all over the world studying PhDs, MDs, and Masters by Research across all of the diverse research disciplines represented by our college. We have students studying for their research degrees through UK government funding, charity programmes, through partnerships with industry, through international government scholarships, and through self-funding. Many students initially come to the college to study for a taught master's degree, and then through that opportunity go on to do PhD research in Glasgow once their master's degree has been awarded. Additionally, we have opportunities for students to join the college through an integrated PhD scheme, which allows students to take the taught courses from a master's degree and then upon achieving a merit, go directly onto a PhD research programme. While most of our students study for their PhDs full-time, there are also opportunities to study part-time. Your postgraduate research degree is a personal journey where you will gain expert scientific knowledge in your subject area, become an expert in research and experimental techniques, write your thesis, all while learning from our world-leading expert supervisors. You will find that the experience gained is broad and you'll develop a whole new set of skills, including those in organisation, independence, confidence, communication and presentation, and critical thinking. Together, all of these skills will enable you to enhance your personal and professional development and equip you for the next stages of your career. In the college, a PhD involves having a minimum of 2 PhD supervisors, and they will be your main points of contact during your research degree. They'll meet with you regularly and they'll guide your PhD project and your training as your project develops, including how to design experiments, reviewing data collection with you, the analysis of your data, and the overall progress of your project. You'll also be appointed an academic advisor panel. These will be separate to your supervisors, and they are academic staff from your home institute or school who will provide further independent support and guidance on your PhD journey, and they'll meet with you to review your progress and development. The graduate school is the administrative hub for all our postgraduate level students, and it's responsible for training and skills development, overseeing student progression and support, and applying university and college regulations. The Dean of Postgraduate Research is the academic lead of the graduate school with respect to research degrees and works closely with the Associate Dean for Postgraduate Research and the whole team of professional services staff who work in the graduate school to support you on your research degree journey. Overall, in studying for your PhD in Glasgow, you can expect to receive provision of a world-leading research training environment that includes excellent facilities, cutting-edge techniques, training in essential research skills, extensive multidisciplinary and collaborative research opportunities, broad transferable skills training, and a nurturing, collegiate and safe environment that allows you to grow as a researcher. Coming to Glasgow is about more than your PhD. The university offers a wide range of clubs and societies, as well as outstanding sports and fitness facilities, a library and study areas. You'll be living in a welcoming, friendly and vibrant city, the largest city in Scotland, and one that is a hub for arts and culture, music and shopping, and close to the breathtaking scenery of Scotland. Glasgow is approximately an hour's travel by car, bus or train to both mountains and the sea. So a research degree in the College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences is an opportunity for you to be able to experience all that Glasgow and Scotland has to offer. Overall, you can expect to come to Glasgow to learn from expert academic staff in your field, and as you progress through your PhD journey, you'll start to realise that you're not only gaining new skills, but in fact that you are becoming an expert in those skills. And with your subject knowledge increasing all the time, this will mean by the time that you complete your thesis, you will be the expert in your subject. In fact, you will then appreciate that your PhD qualification from Glasgow is a new passport. It's your personal passport that evidences your expertise and the breadth of skills that will give you the opportunity to embark on the next stage of your career, wherever that may take you in the world. I would like to extend a warm and welcoming invitation to you to consider joining University of Glasgow in the College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences to begin your PhD and embark on your career. And you can do that in the knowledge that you're joining a world-leading university with world-leading research expertise and with a long track record of training the next generation of world changers who begin their own research career journey with us. Once you have your University of Glasgow PhD, you will be ready to go on to change the world wherever the next stages of your career take you.